Hello everybody and welcome to this video tutorial. I will show in this video how to establish communication between LabView and Arduino. Also, I will run simple example to control a servo motor. So, the things we need in this tutorial are the actual Arduino, USB cable to connect Arduino to computer. Also, this cable will power the Arduino once you plug it to the computer. And of course, computer with LabView on it. Also, we need the Arduino programming environment, which we will use it only for one time to upload the communication code between Arduino and LabView. So, firstly, you can download the Arduino programming environment from the website arduino.cc. Now click on the download button and download the version for whatever operating system you have. I am on Windows right now and I already downloaded. So now I will start the Arduino programming environment to upload the communication code with LabView, which you can find it on Arduino Toolkit for LabView. Now I will plug the Arduino to my computer and I need to choose the port which the cable is connected to. So if you don't know the port, you need to go to My Computer, right click on it, Properties, and then go to Device Manager. So now you need to look for the ports of the computer. Here you can see ports. You can see Arduino Uno COM4. That means our Arduino is connected to COM4. So also you need to check the baud rate of the communication, because each Arduino, it has its own baud rate. So go and right click Properties and go for port settings, and you can see here the baud rate is 11,5200. That's the correct baud rate for Arduino. If you have another Arduino, you need to change the baud rate. So now we can go and upload the interface code between LabView and Arduino. So here I will show you the path of the file, and you can go to Computer, Hard Drive C, and go for Program Files, also National Instruments, okay, and the LabView. So now we need to go for VI, I believe, okay, and we need to look for a file called LabView Interface with Arduino. So here we go, this is a file. Okay, this is the correct one. We select and open it. So now we need to select the COM port to upload the file, and VAR is in COM4, and here is COM4 is correct. So as you can see, there's many files open in here. There's several files. So we'll start by going to the verification stage to verify the code and the connection. Here we go. Actually, you can skip this stage. You can just go to the upload stage directly. And here we go, done compiling. Okay, now we can go to the upload stage and start uploading our file. So once we done with the uploading, we can use the LabView with Arduino. Here we go, we are done from uploading, and now we can program our Arduino through the LabView. So now I will open the Servo example I made in LabView, and here is the front panel. I will switch to the block diagram to show the block diagram of the example, and use Ctrl A to switch. And here, the first block, to initialize communication, we select 4, the port which our Arduino is connected to, and the baud rate of the communication type of Arduino, here I have Uno, and type of communication. The second block is to set the number of servo motor. In this example I have only one servo, so I wired constant 1. The third block is to configure the servo. Constant 0 is like an address to the servo, and the constant 2 mean digital I/O pin number 2 will be connected to the servo number 0. Now, initialization and configuration should always done outside the while loop. So what's inside the while loop now? Here we have the first block, which will send the analog signal to the servo motor. And then here we have the address of the servo motor, it's constant 0. And the knob here is just to tell the servo what is the desired angle. And then we have the second block here, is just to read the current angle of the servo. And also I need to tell the address of the servo, so I wire it to 0, and this indicator will show the angle in the front panel. And we're done here inside the while loop, so I just need to close the port and make it free for applications. So we'll move to the front panel now. Here's the knob, and here's the indicator which will show the angle. And now I will just make the range of the knob between 0 and 180. And I will go to the scale, and here we go. So you see here the minimum and the maximum range. So I make it between 0 and 180 because the servo motors move between 0 and 180 degree. Okay, and this is my application. Now it's ready to use. So here's my circuit. Now I will run the program to show you how that should work. So here now I'm in the angle 0. So I'll just tell my the program to go to angle 50, for example. Oops. You can see how the servo moving. Let's set it back to 0 again. And here is displaying the angle where the servo is in now. It's a pretty cool thing.